Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard shirt in Roblox. Open Roblox and sign in, then use the search bar to find the Vanguard group and request to join or accept the invite. Once you are in the group, open the group store, locate the Vanguard shirt, check the price or free status, and click buy or get to add it to your inventory and wear it immediately. Sign into Roblox and use the search field to locate the exact Vanguard group name to avoid fakes. Tap the group result, read the description and rules, then press join or follow any listed steps to request entry. If the group uses manual approval, check notifications and wait for acceptance before attempting to access the group store where the Vanguard shirt is listed for members only. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful Roblox tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and saving for cool virtual items. I linked it and other deals in the description, so take a look if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After joining Vanguard, navigate to the group store and browse available shirts until you spot the Vanguard shirt. Verify the Robux price or availability and click buy if you have enough balance, or click get if the item is free. Once it is in your inventory, open Avatar, locate the shirt under clothing, equip it, and adjust layering if needed so it displays correctly on your character across games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.